keeping LZ original.
What's the time?
Time for what?
You're killing yourself with that pass.
Time to eat, bruh. That's what it's time for.
I don't know.
9:51.
9:51. So 5 minutes to that is gonna be.
Uh-oh.
9:56.
Time to eat. But I'm still tweeting. Or not tweeting. IGing.
Oh man, don't take.
Thank
What
you.
happened yesterday? You got to get up. I
Network
realized
still.
that. Yeah.
Still got network. Still got work, bruh.
Why?
You videotaping, right? Yeah, we out here. You see all these? I gotta get back to all these people.
Get back at him, man.
I gotta get back to all these people right now.
Oh, you should check your Twitter.
That's how we get it. You know what I'm saying? Network. Get it how we live. You know what I'm saying? Now it's,
What's it about?
yeah, it was about me. My name is Robert Lecter, and I'm selfish. Cause I got a pad, and all I do is sit here and network and try to get people to like me. Cause I think I'm a cool guy. I'm hungry though, a little tired. But it's all good. Well, look. Big ups to, you know what I'm saying, my girl Honey Bee. Big ups Honey Bee. You know what I'm saying, I got you. I got you. Come true. My boy Tony, I got you too, man. I see you. Yeah, I gotta get all my people. You know what I'm saying? All of them. I got you. Got all of them. Who else?
I was here.
Uh-oh. This is the shout out moment, you know what I'm saying? My boy Rich P. I see you. You know what I'm saying? I see you, Rich. Who else we get? KG, he right there. Big ups. You know what I'm saying? He right there. He one of them types that be texting me while you right next to him. But I ain't got no energy. I'm ready to go. But I'm looking like a man.
What's up? Morning. It's KG.
Alright, you guys.
Stone Soup Radio right here. Just see my boy Black Rob, my boy BG in the radio. You probably heard him. Boy over here, my boy Miguel over here.
What do you do, everybody? It's
Talking up, you know.
top-notch DJ Sandoval from the Throwback Show. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's Friday. It's Black Friday, so let's get out.
Yeah.
And let's get into the community and do those events.
Let's do all that, man.
Let's do it. Alright, well, I'm out because I gotta find out some events that we get going down.
Got you.
Peace out. Listen to Stone Soup on
Handle
Stockton
your
Community Radio.
business, man.
Woo!
Stone Soup is live, man.